Girl, I can't lie me for one man. Enough time I don't hear lonely girl and one man. I'm sure me don't know anything already. So me I come link you.
Wait there. Pinky, what you said to me a while ago? You a woman?
So me know somebody.
Oh, you're so sassy. Calm down, man. Don't get me wrong. Not that the way they mean. But anyways, how comes you lonely? Talk to me.
Girl, me lonely. 3 months now, me don't get one sort out in a girl.
Alright.
Why me not yet feel like me want something, girl. Right now, me have a priest and me want to buy one deal that one vibrator.
No, girl. We just never know say you come down. Isn't me? But nobody feel shame. Isn't me? Cause right now, even though me have that man up, so I still have everything in my drawer. But I believe it. Anyways, so why you type?
Girl, I like the man them with Sally Brown and Maga. You know, Maga man have a buzz.
But let me ask you a question, Pinky. You're slim and all, and you say you want a slim man, don't? I wonder if you know a slim man have the thing, the real tall thing, right out. You can manage that?
I say I want a Maga man with the buzz, girl. You know, hear me? I say, I'm like in the ear, me I say, girl. I no must can manage if me I tell her what I want, the type what I want. I want the Maga man with the buzz. The buzz. Girl. Just let you.
I don't want to give you a maga man and then you end up that's you reach a hospital. You know? You sure you can manage?
Girl, if you give me man, you give me man.
You like that one?
The one, yeah. Yeah, girl, the one that have a buzz. Jesus. Quite nice. Give me phone. Let me see him.
Anyways, you want me to call him or something? Mama! No, man, you have to give me phone. You want me to call him or something?
Yes, right now. Call him right now.
Mama, you sure you can manage? I don't want a normal piece of boy this end.
If you give me man, call him.
I just want your girl. I don't want your same. Anyways.
Are you want him man or Rami? Call him man.
Yo, Kelani. Me there your gate, you know. Me see all of miss call them, man. Me busy on the road today.
How are you there at the gate? Alright, may I come. People are calling for your phone and can't get you.
Yo, me busy on the road the whole day today. Yo, but I want to go.
My youth, come on for your bike. I can go over there to go chat.
Alright, no problem.
So you see, you call me the caller today?
Mm-hmm.
Because my friend come link me and saying only and he want a man. But he be specific with the type of man we want. You understand? One slim man will have a buzz. You understand?
But me no slim.
Well, the picture I share with you, she okay with it. So the only thing right now is to make sure so you can work your thing. You understand?
Right now you see a lot right now. Me see one picture with her right now. Me see what she look like.
Chaja, believe it. Me left the phone on here. But anyways, me WhatsApp him if the picture to you and make you see. But remember now, come on, be specific with you want him to come not to one tarry out here. Make sure so you can do your thing good enough, you understand?
Right. Yo, don't worry yourself, man. I know if you deal with me thing. Just WhatsApp me picture, you see me?
No, man.
Alright. Yeah. New girl, I hope I want and thick as him as the big out of chest push.
So I carry all of the money when we did owe you.
You lucky say you bring them still, you know. Because I just there send them come mess you up, you know. But anyways, how much product you have for next operation?
Don't worry yourself, man. We have as much. I just want to roughly go patch you when they go through. But everything's sorted out.
You can go on now.
Everything that bossy.
Everything ready for next week?
Yeah, man. Look for more.
We have some information for you we know you are going to like. You remember girl Pinky? Me said she did from Magdalene.
You serious?
Yeah.
Where you get the information from?
A long story. Right now we in a hurry, so me have to go play. When we reach home, we call.
So, sorry. Yeah, I know I'm interrupt on the movie and I enjoy myself, so no seat. I never have no choice. I had to stop there because I have to click like people so I can do full length movies. It really works. And if it's your first time over here, definitely subscribe. But I not only cut enough movie, short film, short to tell enough to subscribe and like, but I got end it from like a high note. Now, you guys are no stranger to this lady here, Miss Everly. Yes, she have one of them bad poems before we again. And this one is particularly different, in my humble opinion, because of the title alone. So me not hear the words they meant, you want to hear it. You want to tell them the title? You tell them, What's the title?
Regrets of the Side Piece.
No, Regrets of the... I never that the name that you tell me first.
What me tell you?
They tell me the name Side Chick. Not Regrets of the... Anyways, I want to hear it. I want to hear it.
You will hear one little piece.
Alright, give it to us. Oh, hold on. It's higher for break on again. I am very much aware of the teeny wall of them.
Oh,
but
yeah,
because we
that's
hear
what
them
they're
every day, I just try one nice segue to tell us talk loud, not the poem and thing. I didn't sit near my head. Yeah, but me hear them guys. We can't get rid of them. I said, poem time.
No liberty comes with being on the side. If he's your significant other, what is the sense in having to hide?
Come on! Yeah, go on, good. Here I am. Okay, start again.
Whew, this is so funny. Anyway, no liberty comes with being on the side. If he's your significant other, what is the sense in having to hide? If he belongs to you, then why can't you call him at nights? He's the love of your life, but still goes home to be with his wife. Because a side piece needs to show respect. You forget about how you feel. You need to pause and check. Having respect for the wife and none for yourself. Showing love to a man who will never leave his lady no matter what product stands on the shelf. Held hostage by love that won't allow you to leave. So with no tactics and nothing up your sleeves, you stay committed to a woman's man. Full submission and bending knees. How many times have you felt left out? No one to cuddle with at night? Settling for loneliness and giving away your rights. From the day you decided to be with him, you made your choice. It's sad that you have to stand aside and watch love drown out your voice. Before you knew he had a life. Still, you stay sitting in the corner crying, falling for a man who you knew already had a wife. Manipulated by his promises and comforted by the honey that falls from his lips, constantly falling for his tricks. Men have a way of telling you that home isn't comfortable. He will try to point all the bad at home that is happening, and in reality, there is really nothing at home that he's lacking. While some men does this as an escape, but after being his side chick for 10 years, why do you still wait? So here we are, yet with another scar, stuck in the middle of, should I love him and forget her? Or must I leave before becoming the home wrecker? The choice is yours. If you want to leave or stay. I know love has a way of playing Simon Say. I just want you to know, in the end, you only got you, my friend. So please, don't you ever think you can't fall in love again.
Hot cleat! Yo, me not tough some, you used to write. Like, me, it's a poem. It's a poem. I don't have no more information for it. I'm not even going to ask where it come from. Because that the poem not spell nothing for the male species. So I'm kind of ashamed now. But I don't know if you want a little bit of what inspired that poem. I don't know if... Alright, no, shoo. Alright. Guys, so bad poem by Everly, side check it name. You have Instagram, one to your YouTube. We don't want to hear some of them something there. On YouTube. Tell all of them. YouTube,
so
please.
It's Poems by Everly Graham.
So Poems by Everly.
Both on Instagram and YouTube.
A poem the heavy a while ago.
Yeah, I know.
Me not even treat woman, so I'm a feel one kind of. But
shout out to my boyfriend.
Poems by Everly. Go and check it out on YouTube, and hit that. So guys, remember to like and subscribe if you just a tune in. Someone can buy me some time for can make some full length movies. You know what I see full length Hollywood looking Jamaican kind of movies like one just watch a while ago. Yeah man, like, subscribe, little more. I shall see you very, very soon.